Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Look no further than this electrifying video on the power of digital marketing. At Brady Burns Productions, we believe in making success accessible to everyone, regardless of experience level. That's why our team of seasoned marketers is here to guide you towards your business goals. In this video, we'll unveil the multitude of benefits that digital marketing can bring to your business, so buckle up and get ready to embark on an inspiring journey. Let's bring your dreams to life with the power and magic of digital marketing. Navigating the world of digital marketing can be very overwhelming, but we are here to support you every step of the way. Our personalized solutions are carefully crafted to help you build a robust online presence and engage with your target audience cost-effectively and efficiently. At Brady Burns Productions, we recognize the importance of tailored marketing plans. We take the time to understand your brand, industry, and goals so we can create a detailed strategy that works for your unique needs. Our team is equipped to manage all aspects of your digital marketing, including social media, pay-per-click advertising, and search engine optimization. Transparency and accessibility are fundamental values that we hold in high regard. We believe in keeping our clients informed at all times. We provide detailed performance reports to track progress and measure success. Our team is always available to answer any questions or concerns that you may have. Let's take a closer look at some of our digital marketing services. Social media management is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. Our team can help you create captivating content, grow your following, and connect with your target audience on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Pay-per-click advertising is another effective way to drive traffic to your website and increase conversions. Our team can help you create targeted campaigns that reach your ideal customers and maximize your return on investment. Search engine optimization ensures that your website appears at the top of search engine results pages, SERPs, when people search for keywords related to your business. Our team can help you optimize your website, create high quality content, and build backlinks to improve your search engine rankings. Digital marketing constantly evolves, and we pride ourselves on staying up to date with the latest trends and practices. Our team of marketers, designers, and developers is dedicated to helping businesses succeed online. We are committed to providing exceptional services, always look for ways to innovate and improve. We believe in educating our clients and empowering them to make informed decisions about their marketing strategies. That's why we offer free information sessions on our website, www.bradyburnsproductions.com, where you can learn more about our services and how we can help you achieve your goals. In conclusion, we are passionate about the power of digital marketing and the opportunity it provides for businesses to succeed. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, our team guides you every step of the way. Please book your complimentary information session today, and let's get started.